Your phone system may be under attack right now, but when it was installed, your system was set up to be secure. Over time, things change. People may have assigned weak voicemail passwords or enabled call forwarding to unknown numbers. Your system may have weak passwords. Bad people may have been using social engineering or internet SIP hacks to hijack your system or infect your network with malware and viruses. They can compromise your system and use it to make money at your cost. They may be selling your phone lines to phone card systems or use it to make calls to a premium rate number overseas, and sadly, just for fun. The good news is that many of these risks can be mitigated. The bad news is you probably won't know until your next phone bill arrives and it's too late. Toll fraud has reached a massive $50 billion per year globally. You may think this only happens to multi-international corporations, but it happens to companies of all sizes. This is where NEC's InGuard for toll fraud prevention can really help. It's silently in the background looking for suspicious call patterns based on frequency, duration, and the numbers dialed. It is tailored to your unique business based on your hours of operations and the type of calls you normally make. It is constantly watching 24 hours a day looking for suspicious behavior. Once detected, it will send you an email and can block the phone used or the number that was dialed. Once you get the email, if it looks like the traffic is okay, you just reply back to the system and it will unblock the phone. NEC's InGuard gives you peace of mind. It's always on duty. It can help protect you against toll fraud that could cost you thousands of dollars, and it runs inside your phone system, so there's no need for expensive PCs or service. It's tailored to your business and your needs. It requires no maintenance and simply sits in the background and watches. It's easy to use and acts as a strong deterrent against internal telephone abuse. It is flexible and updates are available via the online update manager. It reacts instantly the moment it detects any issues. To find out more, please contact your local NEC representative.